What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm literally so excited. So we are going to Starbucks today and it is to try the Kiwi drink, which I'm so excited for. This drink was supposed to come out, I think it was like back in actually like March, April, around there I think, and they just pushed it back so many times because of everything that was going on, so it obviously didn't release. But I called my Starbucks today and I've been doing that every day and it finally came out. So I know some Starbucks it already came out already, so this video might be a little like late, but it is new for my Starbucks, so I can't wait to try it. I am so excited. So if you guys are excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and let's go to Starbucks. Hey, can I get a tall kiwi refresher?
Of course.
I was nervous he was gonna tell me that they still weren't available because on the menu it still says that they don't have it right now. So I was scared they were gonna tell me they didn't have it, but they do. So that's exciting.
Hey, how are you doing, Hannah?
Good.
Glad to hear. It's $7.99.
I'm gonna do whatever's on there and
Have
the
you tried
rest.
them yet?
No.
First time?
Yes.
Fun.
I'm so excited.
Great one.
You as well.
See ya.
Bye. We have the drinks. Let me put them down before I crash. Okay guys, so we have the drinks. You're gonna hear everything if I don't roll up this window. Okay, so I got the drinks. They asked if I didn't want any of the infusions inside because they know how I am with the infusions. So I said I didn't want them. So obviously it's not gonna affect the drink in any way. They gave it to me on the sides, but I don't like the little particles that like get up in the straw and like they're just nasty. So this is the tall Kiwi refresher. I'm so excited. I'm also nervous, but we have been waiting a really long time for this. So, oh my god, my hair is so bad. So let's just go ahead and not wait any longer and try it. Ew. Yeah, I don't really like that. It kind of tastes like, what's the other one? The dragon fruit one. I keep drinking it, but I don't like it. I was so excited for it too. Yeah, I don't like it. I'd have to give it a 5 out of 10 because it's not terrible. It reminds me of the dragon fruit one too much, and I didn't like the dragon fruit one either. So I'm sorry to disappoint you guys. We've waited so long for this. I'm sorry. Am I sweating? I'm sorry to have told you guys that I just don't like it. I think you should still definitely go try it yourself to see if you like it. Everybody's taste buds are obviously different. So I want you guys to go try it because it is new. So I want you guys to leave it down below what you guys think of this drink. If you've tried it already, I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. Comment down below video ideas for future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. I love you guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye.